Highway Code Rule 75. Dual carriageways. Remember that traffic on most dual carriageways moves very quickly. When crossing, wait for a safe gap and cross each carriageway in turn. Take extra care when crossing slip roads. Roundabouts. Highway Code Rule 76. Full details about the correct procedures at roundabouts are contained in Rules 184 to Rule 190. Roundabouts can be hazardous and should be approached with great care. You may feel safer walking your cycle round on the pavement or verge. If you decide to ride round, keep to the left-hand lane. You should be aware that drivers may not easily see you. Take extra care when cycling across exits. You may need to signal right to show that you are not leaving the roundabout. Watch out for vehicles crossing your path to leave or join the roundabout. Highway Code Rule 78. Give plenty of room to long vehicles on the roundabout as they need more space to manoeuvre. Do not ride in the space they need to get round the roundabout. It may be safer to wait until they have cleared the roundabout.